Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like a writer and dress to impress for sport theme. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one, you can choose this hairstyle and also this bang, and you can color it black. And the next one, you're going to go to the dressing room and wear the coat item, this jacket. We're going to color it red and black. For the first selection, you can color it red, and for the next selection, you can color it black. Okay, like this. And then we're going to go to the jeans area, and we're going to wear this jeans, and we're going to make it matte and color it red. Okay, I'm going to color it red. Oops, sorry guys. For the texture, you can make it metallic. Okay, and then we're going to wear gloves. I'm gonna go to the glove, and I'm going to wear this one, remove the fur, make it short, and make it black. Okay, and then we're going to wear this shoe. Okay, color it black for all selection. Okay, I'm just going to color it black like this for all of the selection. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the pant area. I'm going to wear this pant and color it black. Okay, and the last one, we're going to grab a hat. Oops, sorry. Before I go to the hat area, I'm going to grab this basketball and color it black and red. Okay, let's move to the hat area. We're going to wear this hat, this baseball hat, and color it red. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.